how to fix some websites not opening in any browser. First, go to the Start menu and search for Settings. Open the Settings window, then from there click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Proxy. Make sure that Automatically Detect Settings is turned on and ensure that the proxy server option at the bottom is turned off. Once done, close the window. Next, go back to the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it and make sure the View By option is set to large icons. Click on Network and Sharing Center, then select Change Adapter Settings from the left side. Now, right-click on the network connection you are currently using and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and click Properties again. At the bottom, choose Use the following DNS server addresses instead of automatic. Enter the following DNS addresses: primary DNS 8.8.8.8, secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. Press OK and close all windows to save the changes. After that, go back to the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter: netsh winsock reset. Then type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter again. After completing these steps, restart your computer and try opening the website again. The issue should now be fixed. If the problem still continues, you can try one final method. Go back to Settings, open Network and Internet, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, and under More Settings, select Network Reset. Click Reset Now to restore all network settings, which can often solve this issue. That's it. Hopefully you can now access your websites without any problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.